Okay, so we got here the next topic, which is problems dealing with regular polygon and end-pointed star. So with when you say regular polygon, it is actually the octagon, pentagon, the decagon, so anything like that. And sometimes, or most of the time actually, those polygons are usually inscribed in a circle or the other way around. Okay, so for number 1, we got given an octagon. Okay, so given an octagon, so if octagon, therefore the number of sides is 8, right? It's 8. In inscribed in a circle, so I already drew it with a radius of 10 centimeter. So find A, area of the octagon. So let's try to answer for that one. So area of the octagon, if the octagon is inside the circle, so the formula is area of the, say let's just call it AP, or the area of the polygon inscribed in the circle, that is 1/2 n r squared s, or sine 360 over n, where n is your number of sides, r is the radius. Okay, so if you have that, that will be n is equal to 8, and then r, do we have r? Yes, r is 10 squared sine 360 over 8, and the answer will be 282.8427 square centimeter. Okay, and for letter B, let's changing the color of the font. Okay, so B is the apothem. So apothem is actually, let's say that this is the center of the circle as well as the center of the polygon. Apothem is this one, the center to the center of the polygon to the center of one side of the of a side. Okay, it actually cuts a side into half, one side of the polygon. So the formula for that is simply A is equal to R cosine 180 over n. So if you do that, R is equal to, okay, R is 10, and then cosine 180 over n, which is 8. Okay, so the answer for that apothem is 9.238 centimeter. Okay, so letter C. What's letter C? Length of a side. Length of a side. So I think we can use the S for symbol for a length of a side. So for the length of a side, the formula is 2r sine 180 over n. Okay. So this is 2 times 10 times sine 180 over 8. And then the answer is equal to 7.6537 centimeter. So these are the answers. This is an answer. This one too, and then this one too. Okay. Oh, let's go for letter D. Letter D is number of diagonals. Oh, number of diagonals is quite easy. So the number of diagonals D is equal to n over 2 times n minus 3. N minus 3. So this is equal to 8 over 2 times 8 minus 3. So this is equal to 20 diagonals. Or you can also do this, D is equal to n C combination and 2 minus n. You can also do that. Try it on your calculus. Okay, you will also get the same answer actually. Okay, so for letter E, what's E? The sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles is quite simple. Let's say that it's SIA, sum of interior angles. That is just 180 times n minus 2. So this will be equal to 180 times 8 minus 2, 180 times 8 minus 2. So this is 1080 degrees. And this will be your answer. Okay, so we are done with number 1. Let's proceed to number 2. Okay, so for number 2, we have find the area enclosed by a regular pentagram inscribed in circle with radius 10 centimeter. So I think it looks like something like this. So regular pentagram. Pentagram is just a star. Okay, pentagram. So I think it looks like something like this. Okay. There you go. I think that's good. There you go. So we are looking for the area of the pentagram. Okay. So for the, and we have a given radius. So radius is 10 centimeter. Take note that this radius is the radius of the circle. This is actually simple. The derived formula will just give you the formula. The area of the pentagram or the star is 1.123 r squared. Okay? R is the radius. So 1.123 times 10 squared. So the answer is simply 112.3 square centimeter. So this will be the answer. Okay, so we're done with this topic. Let's get to the next topic.